Are you too looking for on how to fix Instagram story music not working? Then you're on the right video. Sometime you'd want to post a story with the music but the Instagram doesn't allow you to, or the music feature doesn't work at all. Even if you click on the music, it doesn't apply to your story. One of the reasons might be that you have a creator account rather than a personal account. So in order to fix it, you need to change your creator account to personal account. First of all, move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into settings. Inside setting, head over to account. Scroll down and you'll get to see the option of switch to professional account. Right now I'm already on my personal account. But here if you are in a creator account, then it will show you switch to personal account rather than professional account. All you have to do is click on it and switch to personal account. Once you are done, you need to go back and head over to your story and check whether the music is working or not. If it still doesn't work, then what you need to do is go back and head over to Play Store or an App Store. And in the search bar, search for the application Instagram. Here, if your application is not updated to the latest version, you need to update it. If your application is not updated to the latest version, then you might face different issues. Once the application is updated, you need to go back and head over to your story and check whether the music is working or not. So there you go, the music on your story is working right now. Now you can add whichever music you want on your story. So this is it for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to fix Instagram story music not working. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.